In this video, we are discussing Python arrays implementation.
Arrays are fundamental part of most programming languages, and it is the collection of elements of a single data type. And as example, we can consider array of elements like string, array of integers, array of float, and so on. However, in Python, there is no native array data structure. So you use Python list instead of an array. But if I want to create a real arrays in our Python, we need to use the numpy's array. That is the data structure we are having in our numpy module. So for mathematical problems, numpy array will be more efficient. So unlike arrays, a single list can store elements of any data types and does everything an array does. So we can store an integer, a float, and a string instead of inside the same list. So it is more flexible to work with. So let us go for the descriptions and the detailing about this array handling. And at first we are going to discuss how to create one array in our Python. So here we have defined one array. So definition and declaring an array. So these are the set of elements it is having, and print ARR. So it will produce the output like this one. So now if I want to access our array elements, we can use the index. The first element will have the index 0. So ARR 0 will print 10, ARR 1 will print 20 here. So ARR 2 will print 30 here. And here we are having this ARR minus 1. That means the last element will be printed. That is our 50. We are having this ARR minus 2. So that is minus 1. This is my minus 2. So 40 will get printed. So here we are using negative indexing. So now let us go for another array here. So here all these members, all these array elements are of the type string. So if we print these brands, we are getting the output like this one. So finding the length of the array, we are having the method, that is the inbuilt method, that is our len here. So len brands, so it will return 5 here because we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. So if you print a number of brands, we are getting here 5 as output. We can also add some element using the method append. So brands.append intel. So if you go on printing brands, I'm getting this intel as the last element which has got appended to the existing array, that is our brands. So now how to remove elements from an array. So to remove elements, we are having the method like remove, we are having the method like pop. So here we can find that we are having this colors, it is defined there. So let me print the colors here. So going for print colors. Okay. So now if I print these colors, this particular array, we are getting the outcome like this one. So that is the colors I have printed. So now if you go for this del color 4, then after removing this del color 4, if I print, then the outcome will be this one. So that is the color 4 means we are having this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So elo will get deleted because here we have mentioned the index as 4. So now we are having this colors.remove blue. So here I'm just mentioning directly the respective data items. So here we are mentioning directly the data items. So that is our blue. So blue is the member of this particular array. So blue is going to get deleted. So you can find that the blue has got deleted here. So now we are having this colors pop 3. So now here we are mentioning the radically the index we are mentioning. So you can find here that is 0, 1, 2, 3. So orange will get deleted, and in this way I'm getting the reduced number of elements of this array getting printed using print colors. So in this way we can remove items from an array. So now we are going for this modifying elements of an array using indexing. So fruits, apple, banana, mango, grapes, and orange. We are having this one. So fruits 1. So I'm just assigning pineapple to that. Now what is the outcome? So let me go for the print. So now let me go for the execution. You can find that at first this particular array has got printed. Now fruits 1 means 0, 1. So banana will be replaced by pineapple. So it has got replaced. Now fruits minus 1 means the orange, the last one, will get replaced by this guava. So we are getting the updated content of this array fruits. So now we are going for the concatenation of two arrays using the plus operator. So concat is equal to 1, 2, 3, and then concat plus 4, 5, 6. So now we are going to print concat. So now let me go for the printing here also. So if I go on executing, we can find that At first we are having this 1 2 3, and then after concatenation I'm getting this 1 2 3. Why? Because I didn't assign this concat. I didn't assign this concatenated items into the that is the array variable. So now let us write this one. So let me do some changes here. So now if I execute, I can find that. So now this concat has got updated by concat plus 456. So this plus is actually denoting the operator to do the concatenation between two arrays. So now when you are printing this concatenated array, we are getting this 1 2 3 4 5 6. So now we are going for the repeating elements in an array. So let us go for this repeat A, and then repeat is equal to repeat star 5 and then print repeat. So now what is the outcome? We can go for this print. So just executing the same. So at first A is there, and next time repeat is equal to repeat star 5. So this A has got repeated for 5 times. Okay. So now we are having this fruits. So we are having the set of elements are there. So if I go on executing this, so at first we are getting these fruits, this particular array has got printed. Now print fruits 1:4. Always remember the starting index will be inclusive and the ending index will be always exclusive. So that is the index number 0, index number 1 is this one. So 1 2 3, so I'm expecting banana, mango and grapes should get printed. Yes, they have got printed accordingly. Here the starting index is missing, so it will be considered as 0. So from apple, so 3 means it will proceed up to the index number 2 because 3 will be exclusive. So 0 1 2, so apple, banana and mango should get extracted and should get printed. Apple, banana, mango have got printed. So now it will start from this -4. It will start from this -4. So -1, -2, -3, and here we are having this -4, and the ending index has not been mentioned, so it will go printing up to the last element. So banana, mango, grapes and orange, they have got printed. So here we are having this -3 to -1. So -1, -2, -3, I'm getting here mango, and -1 will be always exclusive because it is the stop index. So that's why it will print up to -2, that is our grapes. So in this way we can have the slicing of an array. Okay, so now we are going for the next one. So here we are going to have our multi-dimensional array. So in case of multi-dimensional array, you can find that we are defining one array. So here the first element is another array that is consisting of 1 and 2. The second element is also another array consisting of 3 and 4 and so on. So if you go and print this multi-dimensional array, you are getting the outcome like this. But if you print this multi-dimensional 0, that means this 1 2, this array will get printed accordingly. 3 means 0 1 2 3. So the 7 and 8 will get printed. So multi-dimensional array 2, 1. So 2 and 1, they are enclosed within the square brackets individually. So 2 means 0 1 2. So 2 means this one, and 1 means 0 1. So 6 will get printed. Similarly for 3, 0. So in case of 3 and 0, they are individually enclosed within the square brackets. So 0 1 2 3, that means this particular element and its 0th one. So 7 will get printed here. So in this way we have shown you that how to handle arrays in our Python programming with demonstration and example. Thanks for watching this video.